In this video, we will explore the different copy and paste viewport options that we have available within post-processing in SimCenter 3D. So there's a couple of paste settings after you've copied a viewport, as we can see here in the slide. The first one is just pasting the entire viewport itself. So this will paste the results and the display attributes of the copied viewport. So it's a one-to-one kind of copy and paste. You're going to paste exactly what you copied. You can also get more specific with the paste special options. So the first of the paste special options is pasting the view orientation. So this will not affect the display attributes or the results being shown, but it will copy and then paste the view orientation of the model you are viewing. And then you also have display attributes and element visibility. So if you copy the viewport and paste the display attributes, you're going to be pasting in the, say, contour being banded or smooth, the contour being contour iso line, iso surface, or perhaps the edge display being external or feature. So you're taking the display attributes from the original viewport and pasting them into the new or the destination viewport. It will not affect the results being shown, only the display attributes. And finally, you have the element visibility. So in your original viewport, if you have a specific group or set of elements being shown, you can copy that and then paste into the destination viewport and select element visibility, and the exact same elements in the destination viewport will be shown. Now let's see all of these live. So here in SimCenter 3D post-processing, on the left, we're seeing the displacement nodal magnitude results, and on the right, the stress elemental nodal unaveraged results, von Mises stress. So let's start with our basic, just copy and paste. To do the copy paste, you'd right click, say in the left viewport here, and choose copy viewport. And then our basic paste viewport, we'll see that it pastes exactly what I have from the left viewport into the right viewport. So all the results and display settings are going to be pasted exactly in there. Now let's look at a couple of these paste special options. So rather, if I go ahead and let's change the orientation a little bit. If I copy the viewport on the left, and then on the right, choose paste special with view orientation, we'll see that the orientation of my right view is then matched to the left view. All right, so just copying and pasting the view orientation. Next, we'll look at display attributes. So the couple of display attribute differences I have here. On the left, I'm looking at a banded display and just the external edges. And on the right, you have a smooth display with the external edges and the elements being shown, right? So if I right click and choose copy viewport and then paste special, I can do display attributes for my paste special, and we'll see that now we're getting those external final feature edges, the same as on the left, and we're getting the banded display as well, same as on the left. So any of the display options can be copy and pasted between them. Finally, let's look at element visibility. So in my viewport on the left here, let's look at a specific group of elements. Now, if I wanted to view that same group of elements on the right, again, I could choose copy viewport and then paste special and element visibility. And we'll see the exact same elements being shown in the right viewport as are on the left viewport. So those are the different paste viewport and paste special options that we have available to us within SimCenter 3D post-processing utilizing the copy and paste viewport right-click commands.